earth, our home, our only home. It gives us sustenance and life. No wonder we call it Mother Earth. If we do not take care of it in return, the future looks very difficult. We are committed to work to ensure sustainability of this beautiful place by saving landfill space of about 1.03 million cubic yards every year, and by saving crude oil consumption of about 0.51 million barrels, and by saving heat energy to the tune of 3.72 trillion British thermal units every year. And huge amount of greenhouse gas emission every year. We convert waste into wealth. We do all this magic. We are Pashupati Group. Pashupati Excrusion Pvt Ltd is a growing name in recycled PET chips and granules in India. The company is a medium-sized manufacturing organization for producing high-quality recycled PET chips by chemical recycling. The company was established in the year 2017 with an installed production capacity of 9,000 tons per annum, which today stands at 21,600 tons per annum. The company is situated in Kashipur, Uttarakhand.
At Pashupati Excrusion Pvt Ltd, we manufacture chemically recycled PET granules from PCR and post-industrial waste, diverting them from landfill and incineration, and offer sustainable solutions to the world. In the near future, we have plans to diversify into specialty polymers based on PET, PP, PBT, nylon, and many more for highly specialized application across the world, and earn a reputation for our company of high stature for our products. We continually strive for sustainable solutions and provide end-of-life solutions to the society.
Through all these companies of Pashupati Group, we are adding value to waste and making products which are in high demand in India and across the globe.